Hamster Combat account getting banned? Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're going to share some crucial tips on how to keep your Hamster Combat account safe and secure that all-important airdrop. As Hamster Combat's popularity skyrockets, more and more people are trying to exploit the system, whether it's by using auto-clickers, bots, or creating multiple accounts on a single device. But here's the thing. These shortcuts are risky, and with advanced bot detection systems in place, you could end up with nothing. So in this video, I'll guide you on how to protect your account and avoid common mistakes that could lead to a ban. Let's get started. The first major mistake is running multiple accounts on a single device or from the same location using the same IP address. This is one of the quickest ways to get your account flagged. For instance, if you have several accounts logged into the same SIM card's 4G network or connected to the same Wi-Fi at home, especially if you're managing 20 or more accounts, it raises a huge red flag. This could lead to your account being flagged or even banned, meaning all your efforts will go to waste and you'll end up earning nothing. Another major red flag is using auto-clickers. I've seen a lot of Hamster Combat users resorting to them. It's all over TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. People are running multiple accounts with auto-clickers, but let me tell you, this is a big mistake. Not only can it get your account flagged, but you could also miss out on that valuable airdrop. Here's why. When you use the Hamster Combat app, it can actually detect where you're clicking. The app and its servers track the exact pixels you click on and the timing between each click. A bot detection system will easily spot an auto-clicker because it clicks the same spots at the same intervals. Essentially, it's a dead giveaway. Now, if you're still determined to use auto-clickers, there are ways to tweak them to click in different locations and vary the timing between clicks. But honestly, I wouldn't recommend it. The points you earn this way aren't worth the risk, and the chances of getting caught are high. It's much safer to click manually and play the game as intended. You might be wondering why I'm making this video. The truth is, Hamster Combat has grown to hundreds of millions of accounts, and the numbers keep climbing. Everyone's eagerly anticipating that magical airdrop, essentially free money. But with so many accounts, it's becoming nearly impossible to reward everyone. I'm confident that Hamster Combat will take the necessary steps to ban spam and bot accounts, which is great news for those who are using the app as it was meant to be used. If you're trying to cheat, bot, or game the system, you're likely setting yourself up for disappointment. That's why I'm making this video, so you don't waste your time and effort. Stick to playing the game the right way, and you'll be in a much better position to reap the rewards. And that's it for today's video. If there are any updates, I'll make sure to drop a new video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.